Telling the time. Clocks have been around for hundreds of years, and learning to tell the time is very important. Being able to tell the time allows us to know when we have to be somewhere, such as school or work, and also when we can leave. And it allows us to know when to tune in to our favourite TV programmes. A clock or watch will have the numbers 1 to 12 evenly spaced around its face, as shown here. And on this face will be an hour hand and a minute hand. The way we tell these apart is the hour hand will always be shorter, fatter and slower, while the minute hand is longer, thinner and moves faster. For now, let's concentrate on the hour hand. It will move in what is known as a clockwise direction, meaning it will go from number 1 to 2, then 3 and so on until it reaches back to the number 1. The position of this hand allows us to see what the hour is. For example, if we stop the hand now, we can see that the hour hand is pointing to the number 6. And so we would say that it is 6 o'clock. If we were to look at the clock now, the hour hand is pointing to the number 1, and so we would say it is 1 o'clock. In reality, the hour hand moves a lot slower than it is shown here, as it takes a whole hour for the hour hand to travel from one number to the next. And so we use the minute hand to tell us where we are within the hour. Let's add an extra dial to our clock to show the minutes. If we start the clock, we can see that the minute hand is moving, whilst the hour hand is hardly moving at all. This is because the minute hand goes once around the dial for every hour. As we can see here, the minute hand has gone all the way around, whilst the hour hand has only moved from 12 to 1. To read the minute hand, we look at the outside dial. If we were to stop the clock now, what does it tell us? The minute dial is divided in half. The red half shows the minutes past the hour, and the blue half shows how many minutes to the next hour. The minute hand here is pointing to the number 20 on the red half of the dial, and the hour hand is closest to the 1, making it 20 past 1. Let's have another go. If we stop the clock now, we can see the minute hand is pointing to the 25 on the blue half of the dial, making it 25 minutes to the next hour, which if we look at the hour hand is closest to the number 2, making it 25 minutes to 2. And now the minute hand is pointing to the number 5 on the blue half of the dial, making it 5 minutes to 2. Well, it's now time for me to finish my video, so I hope you've enjoyed learning how to tell the time with me today, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye!